fellow babies. Here we are for update number 3 for your Tuesday morning garden update. Let's take a little quick stroll because it might rain on us again. Got to do some weeding. I took the weekend off, but the garden doesn't. So, I don't know if you can see them as well, but a lot of onions coming up. My tomatoes have started taking off really good. And in fact, I already have lots of tomatoes. This one, there's a few tomatoes on that one there. They're doing really good. The flower bed is still taking off really nice. My potatoes, it's time to start healing these guys up. Look here. They've come up there in the center, and if you look close, they're already coming up back there finally, because I had replanted, I think, 5 or 6 potatoes. Beans are coming up real nice, especially these guys. All that water, they're just sucking that up. Zucchini, looking really good. Squash is looking better, and come to find out, I accidentally planted a cucumber in the middle of my squash, so I'm gonna have to redo that. Moving on down the line. Now, we have okra finally showing up on some areas. Those are some of the ones I replanted, and they're still kind of scarce. I think the soil might be a little damaged. I might have to do some pH testing. Got my corn rows here. They're coming up real nice. Now my carrots, I'm probably going to have to replant. I'm not sure what's going on with my carrots. Because so far I've got 3 little carrots here out of the hundreds of seeds that I planted. But those were some old seeds, so I take it they just weren't ready, or they were too old. Got my cucumbers trellised up here. I might have to put that other one from down there in the middle here, just to kind of keep them together. Now, peppers, they're finally starting to show their face a little bit, getting a little taller. Asparagus is doing really good. Cilantro's doing really good. Today, if it don't rain on me, I'm gonna get out here. I've got a cayenne pepper plant I'm gonna put over there, and I've got 2 more eggplants. I've got an Ichabod eggplant and a Black Beauty. These right here are my white eggplants, and as you can see, bugs love them. So I gotta get some more. I gotta take care of that issue. Oh, and thyme. I'll be planting thyme out there as well as parsley. Well, that's it for your Tuesday morning garden update. Hope you all have a wonderful day.